up. Easy now, keep moving. All right, the overall spread is 79.5. The color migration is superb, excellent formation at the tips.
The Ankole-Watusi, the cattle of kings, a symbol of our heritage and the heart of the savannah.
The size of the horns and the dewlap are key indicators of the breed's adaptation. We must ensure this genetic line is preserved.
Get that one in the chute. He's ready for the tag. Watch that iron coming through.
Okay, calf 42 is done. Let's bring in the next one for the 5-way booster.
Keep moving, easy now. He's in the chute, set the head gate. Clearance looks good, go ahead with the vaccine. Done. Log in lot number on the tablet. This one's gain scores look promising.
Yes, but check the ultrasound results on the tablet.
And now presenting entry number 42, showcasing exceptional horn spread.
The confirmation on this one really stands out.
All right, now $5,000. $5,000, give me 5, bid of 5.5. 6,000, do I hear 6? Selling the finest long.
Confirm placement and record as Longhorn embryo 502. Confirmed. Recording 502 now.
The purity markers are exactly where we expected.
99.8% confirmed Longhorn genetics.
Our organized development program focuses on genetic improvement, ensuring these modern replacement females are developing well.
Heart rate is strong and steady. All vitals look excellent.
Another healthy one for the records.
Superior maternal traits confirmed. That is excellent protective behavior and mothering ability.
They are definitely thriving on this native mix. Look at the uniformity.
I've logged the assessment. The data supports early rotation to the next paddock.
We bless these cattle, the source of our life. May they be strong.
Yeah! Get along now!
Kiyi, move out!
We're proud of our systematic approach to agritourism. The Longhorns are the main attraction, and we ensure our educational program. This is a Texas Longhorn. Notice the horns are smooth near the tips.
Wow, he's really big. Can I touch him?
Gently now, right on the nose.
Yeah.
Okay, just a little wider with that front foot. Hold it right there. Perfect, got the shot. That looks excellent for the catalog. All right, bring them right through the center. Camera tracking. Easy now, keep moving. Organized chatter of the film crew. Keep them moving back there. Gates clear, bring the next group up. Watch the horns on the big red one. They're settling in nicely. Look at the calves.
Grazing pattern is excellent. Minimal stress observed.
There it is. Look at the density here. The data confirms significant soil regeneration and increased biodiversity.
The conservation efforts here are really impressive. Look at the herd numbers.
It's amazing they brought them back from near extinction.